Hello everyone. In this video, you will be learning about a firefighting robot which operates in the real time for stopping the fire, which is based on three IR sensor. Those are left, middle, and then right. So, the basic logic lies in using these values, that is, values read from these sensors should be used in a proper way such that we can able to move accordingly. That is, when the fire is in the left side, then it should move left side, and when the fire is in right side, it should move right side. And when the fire is aligned with the robot, then the robot should move front, and then after attaining a sustainable distance, it should stop the fire. Hence, we should code it accordingly. The following table can help us with the coding part, that is to write an if else conditions using these cases. After modifying certain conditions, the following code is written, and this is made available in the description of the video link below. Now let's get started with experimentation. Now our aim is to stop this fire using our firefighting robot. Let's get started with the car. Now let's test it with different directions. Now this completes our experimentation of firefighting robot. Thanks for watching.